Hello. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Twitch panels in Adobe Photoshop. Before we start, I do stream on Twitch every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So if you guys have any questions or just want to hang out, jump in chat. So the first thing you want to do is open up Photoshop, hit File, go to New, and then the dimensions for the panel is going to be 320 by 160. Name the preset whatever you want. I'm going to name it YouTube. And then this is where you set the background color. You could set it to whatever you want. I'll set it to like in a reddish orange. Hit OK and then hit create. Then when you're here, I want to zoom in a bit with the zoom tool over here. Hit text or hit T on your keyboard, or you could click over here. It doesn't really matter, same thing. Then you want to just make a box, and then you want to name it whatever the panel's for. You can also change its color to maybe like a white, and then name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it YouTube. Okay, and then hit, and then just make it, center it right there. If you want to make it bigger, hit Control plus T on your keyboard. It'll bring up these, and then you could just center it, and then make it bigger and center it. Let's center it. That is not centered. There we go. We'll call that good. Alright, so after that, you want to make the text look cooler and stuff. Then you hit outer glow. Make that a black or whatever color you want. You could click right here, select whatever color you want. I'm going to keep it at a black. And then you want to make the spread to however like big you want the outer glow to be. And then you could select its size to like how much you want it to, how big you want the spread to be. Then you hit drop shadow to make it look like it has like a shadow on it. That's what's called a drop shadow. And then you could make it like far away from it, close to it. Then you could make how big the shadow is. I'm gonna keep it around 23. You also increase its size. I'm gonna keep that at like, let's make that a 50. Alright, so once you have that down, hit OK, and then you want to go to your main layer. It's going to be locked most likely. There's going to be like a lock there. Click that lock and it'll unlock the layer. Then you want to come over here, and then you want to hit gradient overlay if you want a gradient. If you don't, then just skip this step. I'm personally going to put a gradient on it. Then make it like that. You could hit over here and then select whatever colors you want, or you could just click here and then add a color. I'll keep it like that. That looks nice. Okay, so then you could select what angle you want it and stuff here, like that. I'm just gonna keep it there. Then hit OK out of there, and there you go. There's your panel. Now to save this, you want to go to File, hit Export, go to Export As, then this will pop up, and then here you want to double check its size, and then when you're ready, get rid of transparency because you don't need transparency for panels. Then make sure it's a PNG or a JPEG, either one. Then hit export, and then save it wherever you want. I'm personally gonna save mine on the desktop. And then just hit save. And now I'll save to your desktop, and now you guys can import it into your Twitch. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I do stream on Twitch, like I said earlier. The link will be down below, as well as all my other socials. and I hope to see you guys again. I do try to post weekly content, so subscribe so you don't miss another dope video. And yeah, have a good rest of the day, and